are very thankful that we have Anak TV for today.
Ako po, nagpapasalamat talaga po ako sa Anak TV na nakakasama po kami dito sa mga symposium dahil kahit po kami, natututo kami paano ba kami mag-produce ng mga content na alam po namin na kinokonsume po ng mga tao online and kahit din po sa TV.
Nandito na po talaga ang technology. We just have to be responsible and know how to properly utilize it para maging beneficial sa atin, imbis na maging delikado sa mga anak natin para sa future nila.
Kayo mga bata, nakakasama ba niyo ang inyong mga magulang sa pagpanood? Hindi. Bakit? Wala pa yung parents. Magandang manood together. Ako, alam nyo ba, kahit matanda na ako, I make it a point na pagkatapos ko ng trabaho ng alas 6 ng gabi, pag nasa bahay ako, I go out and I watch TV with my parents and my sister and the rest of the family. Kasi napaka-importante ng oras na yan, bonding time. May mga bagay na pag-uusapan na hindi mo magagawa sa pamamagitan ng text-text lang. At the same time, na pag-uusapan din yung pinapanood, na-interpret, na nabibigyan ng kahulugan ang pinapanood natin.
And sports because it's part our game and it's fun. It's fun to play a game because Pilipinas is so fun.
Because it's so fun and it's just a simple game.
It can make you happy and rest your eyes.
Kasi po nagkakaintindihan po kami at nagtutulong-tulungan po minsan. Nagkakatuwawan kami pag nataya po, po kami nagkakatuwaan.
I really like the way I play, but sometimes I better work hard on it because it wouldn't be so easy. But with them, we're gonna win this every time. We're going to be the best trio.
Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes.
In the development of our children, it's not only the parent or the school, but it is a triangular form where we also have a third person, which could be a partner organization.